Hi, welcome back to SWOT Diaries. Join me for the next 5 minutes as we will be highlighting the IBS system and technologies and the concrete lining segment for tunnels, both specialties of this week's featured company on SWOT Watch, Kimlun. I'm Nabila Nisha reporting to you from Iskandar, Johor.
IBS system is about actually it's called industrial building system.
IBS or prefabricated homes are dwellings manufactured off-site in advance. Often, it is segmented into sections that can be easily shipped to its destination and assembled smoothly.
The first step will be the mold preparation.
This includes doing a mold plan and the structuring of metal rods into becoming skeletons for the molded concrete. Step 2 is the installation of window or door panels if needed. The third step would be the pouring of the concrete into the mold, and when the concrete is set in, the final step would be the demolding of the concrete. The precast product will be lifted and then stacked into storage before it is shipped to location.
I mean, it's like compared to the conventional way of doing the construction, right? Actually, the IBS system, right, there's cut off of. I mean, it's like you no need to use so many manpower because we no need to do the bricklaying, the plastering work because already pre-done. Environment factor, I believe that because I mean, it's like we do it in a very systematic and industrial way, right? So actually, I mean, it's like we can control the waste because if we can do it in the factory, so that the weather will not be an issue when we're doing the concrete casting operation and everything. Benefit of the IBS system, right, in terms of the quality, right, is about the consistency. Because I mean, it's like everything is preset and pre-planned. So people just pour in the concrete and the rebar installation, right? So they can control the finishing very well.
Okay, the concrete lining segments is generally used to protect the underground tunnel of MRT projects. It is also used to protect those steel pipes that lay under the oceans.
SPC Industries Sdn Bhd is a subdivision of Kimlun Sdn Bhd. It was incorporated on April 9, 1993 as a private limited company under the name Nasniaga Sdn Bhd. It later went on to change its name to SPC in 2002.
Okay, we will produce the tunnel lining segment in pieces as what you see at the back. After it has been produced, we will join them and form to a ring like this, 6 pieces to form a ring. Then when we connect each ring, it will be, if you look at the ring that we have at the back, you put it horizontally, then you can imagine it is like a tunnel. And when at the side, the contractors actually, when they use the tunnel boring machine, they will at the same time join it, inject it into the tunnel to form the support of the tunnel.
SPC commenced its operations in 2002 to manufacturing and supplying only ready-mixed concrete, pad culverts, box culverts, road curbs and V-height pipes. SPC soon expanded its product range to supplying precast tunnel lining segments to the Malaysian market.
We have been supplying tunnel lining segments since 2005, and since then we have received repeat orders from main contractors, and we have participated in many packages of the MRT project in Singapore.
And what about Malaysia?
Malaysia, of course, we hope to participate with our good track record in Singapore and our technical ability. I think currently in the market, people are talking about the MRT in Malaysia will kick off in July. Of course, we hope to even participate in the first package. Hopefully next year we can start to supply if we are awarded the project.
In year 2006, SPC's product range is further expanded with the inclusion of concrete building components such as precast concrete bathrooms.
This type of product actually is very demanding, come to technical expectations, and then for the joint of this MRT, the tolerance level is only 1 mm. So it's a very stringent process which we have to comply with in terms of safety, in terms of the quality assurance. To achieve that, not only we have our engineer aside, we also have our client's engineer to do all the inspection to ensure quality, the achievement of the necessary strength even before we deliver to the site. Yes, the Land Transport Authority of Singapore is also involved in the selections of the products and also the specification of the requirement of the product.
That about wraps up SWOT Diaries for now. Do continue watching as Anne and guests will return in studios right after this commercial break. I'm Nabila Nisha, signing off.